Hello all of our viewers. Today we are unboxing our expansion hub. So let's get to it. First off, this is the box. It has, oh, this is how it looks like. We haven't opened it yet. So, okay. Oh, okay, so it's black. It's just like our control hub over here. Just like our control hub. But it is not. It's for extension. So this is it. Take it out of the bubble wrap. It has 4 different port slots, 4 different slots, and 4 slots or 2 slots for our batteries. Also, it comes with 3 different stickers: 1 rev sticker, 1 pizza gear sticker, and another Rev Peace Love Robot sticker. Additionally, this comes with some manuals, and here some wires for this wire is for our battery, and this is for these ports. Okay, that is it, and this is the manual for everything. And if you want to order this expansion hub right here, you can get it on revrobotics.com, and it is $250, or link in the bio. Yeah, we're gonna link it in the bio. So $250, and it's 1 to 5 days to ship. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that video.